Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of VK. Today I'll be talking with you guys about a very interesting Android application with the help of which you can blur the background of your photographs in just a few seconds. This is supported on all Android phones out there. The first thing that we have to do is we have to open the Google Play Store, and in the search box we have to type teleport, Teleport, and this is the application guys, and we have to install the application on our smartphone. Just hit on install and wait till the application get installed on your Android smartphone. This is a very useful application which helps in blurring the background. Once the app is installed, just open the application from your phone, and this is the user interface of the app. There are a few options called settings and flash is present, and that middle option is for clicking the photos, and the gallery option is present, and switching the cameras between the front and back is present. Now what we'll do is we'll just select a photo from our gallery and we'll add a background blur. This is the photo. As you can see, there are a lot of options like hair color, and the collage effect is present, and there are a few options that is being present inside this. We can add different hair colors which looks really bad, and this is the background. You can add fake background with a set of backgrounds that is present inside the app itself. It gives a few images with the help of which you can set the background to your photos, and but that is not the concern for us right now. We'll check where is this background blur. There is the skin color option as well. You can set the skin color for your photos, and there you can set a custom background, you can set collage, and this is the background blur option guys. You can use this lever in order to control the blur of the background of your photo. If you keep the lever to the maximum level, it looks too fake, so I recommend you guys to keep the lever in the middle level so that the background blur doesn't look too fake. Now let's check out some other different photo so that we can confirm that this background blur successfully works. It takes some time to initially process the photograph and get the photograph imported to the teleport application. Once the importing is successfully done, we'll be presented with a host of different kind of editing features such as hair color, the background blur, the collage effect, custom background setting, and the presence of fake background, etc. Now the photo is processed, and we can set the hair color. As you guys can see, the fake background like Eiffel Tower or something, and we can even set the skin color and custom background, and this is the background blur which we were talking about. And with the help of this lever, you can adjust the background blur. It works on both rear camera and front camera as well guys. And once we have successfully set it, there are options like custom, collage, hair color option, and many other options are present. Now I will tell you how you can export this photograph after you set the background blur or whatever features that is present inside this app. Let me navigate back to the background blur option or the background blur editing option that is present inside this application. Currently I'm in hair color option. Let me go back to background. Here is the skin color and custom background, and here is the background blur, and I'll place the lever to the whatever background blur that I want. I've placed it in the middle, and there is this option of exporting. You can directly put it to Instagram, or you can save this photo to your gallery. That's it for this video guys. The app that I showed is named Teleport. It's present on the Google Play Store, with the help of which you can make background blur in any Android smartphone for your photographs. It works on all kind of smartphones running on Android. So that's it for this video guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you will get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on our channel. So thank you for watching guys.